transformation that happens in most of the cities and suburbs during the months of May-June is known to everyone. Many of our city streets turn red with the flowers of the Delonix regia, which is also called the Mayflower. It has a Madagascar origin and was brought as a garden plant during British era, which we still continue. This burning red-capped tree will hardly have any leaves during this season, and the fallen flowers carpets the roads and the pathways. A member of the Fabaceae family, these trees are soft-wooded and have been known to have some medicinal properties like antibacterial, antidiarrheal, and anti-diabetic. In Tamil, it is often called Semmayil Kondrai and its most popular name is Gulmohar. Like the Gulmohar, the month of April is the time for the golden shower tree, the most popular and auspicious tree during the Vishu period in Kerala. It is a deciduous tree found in the forests as well as in the cultivation. The state flower of Kerala, scientifically known as Cassia fistula, is one of the most beautiful flowering trees in the country. Tamilians call it Sarakandrai. Though we call it native to India, it has origin in many nearby countries like Myanmar, Thailand, Sri Lanka, and Pakistan. According to Ayurvedic medicinal practice, their seed pods have been known as laxative. This is an endemic tree from the montane grasslands of southern Western Ghats. A robust tree which comes to bloom during summer has clusters of bell-shaped flowers terminating at the tip of the branches. This tree is common in Nilgiris, Palni Hills, and Annamalai Hills. It is considered to be a subspecies of Rhododendron arboreum, which is widely distributed throughout Southeast Asia. This is the only species of rhododendron found in southern India, known as Rhododendron arboreum nilagricum. In Nilgiris, this tree is sacred among Badagas and is known among them as Billimaram. According to IUCN, this tree is considered a vulnerable species. Many of the Indian cities adorn with this beautiful tree during summer with their pink and purple flowers. Popularly known as Pride of India, is a tropical tree from the family Literaceae, growing to about 30 to 40 feet in height. It's native to southern Asia, growing in semi-evergreen and evergreen forests along the banks of the streams and is scientifically called Lagestromia speciosa. It is known as Kadali in Tamil. Their flowers look crinkled and papery, resembling crepe paper, hence often called crepe myrtle. They are considered medicinal with their leaves used for diabetes and kidney ailments, fruits for curing mouth ulcers. The seeds are considered narcotic. This tree is known as Cochlospermum religiosum, also known as yellow silk cotton tree. They are seen in rocky areas of most of the dry and moist deciduous forests. Summer is the season when you can see them in its full bloom. They can reach to heights of 10 meters, and the flowering can be seen in smaller trees also. Vixaceae is the family they belong to. They are best known in Tamil as Kattupparuthi. The name Cochlospermum is derived from a Greek name which means a shell with a spiral embryo, and the religiosum refers to the flower being used in the Hindu temple offering. They are known to be found throughout India, Myanmar, and Thailand. They are considered medicinal and supposed to have antibacterial and antifungal properties. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe.